Axial versus FMS. Which one is better? The SCX24 has a Lexan body, metal chassis, friction shocks, okay electronics from Spectrum, some great articulation, and the modulation is kind of okay. The FCX24 has a great looking body, oil-filled shocks, a metal chassis, great electronics, 2-speed transmission, great modulation, and kind of okay articulation. Let's put this head to head to see what they're capable of, and at the end I'll tell you what I think. So which one do you like the most? Both are great options and there are a lot of aftermarket components available. So if you like crawling and you don't mind the extreme scale looks, I would go for the SCX24. But if you really want to have that scale look, I would go for the FCX24 because this body is absolutely insane.